All right, so in this video, we are going to go over medians. So to recap medians are drawn from the vertex to the midpoint. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and draw it. I'm going to use my ruler just to make sure it's nice and straight. So taking a look here, you're going from the vertex to the median. Okay, so from A to C, this here is a median. C would be a midpoint. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw the rest of the other lines. So you'll see here I just drew the rest of the medians. So we have here all of the medians are AC. We have D, and let's put a letter here. Let's put A, B, C, D, E. And this is an F, so let's do BF. Okay, so those are all medians. Okay, so a couple things that we have here are the centroid. The centroid is the center point. So R, this point R is the centroid. It is that center point in our triangle where those medians will intersect. Now, I'm going to erase this line just so I can draw some things on here. So I'm going to just say here, point, and that's a point R. Point R is the centroid. Now, we know a couple things here. Vertex to the centroid. Okay, vertex to the centroid, so from A to R is going to represent 2x, and then from R to C is going to be x. So when we're going from the vertex to the centroid, okay, vertex to centroid, is 2x, okay, and then centroid to midpoint is x. Okay, so now 2x is the long side, so this is the long, this is the short. Okay, so now let's go back here. Let's say that I knew that AR was 10. That means RC would be 5. It is half of that. Let's say that FR is 3. We would then know that BR is 6 because 3 times 2 is 6. That means BF would equal 9. Okay, so that's because we do 3 plus 6 because we know FR plus RB will equal FB. Now, we also can say, okay, if we have here DE, and I know that DE equals, let's say 21. Okay, so if we know this is 21, that means, and if I say, let's just say that's 21, and I want to know what DR is and what RE equals. So I'm trying to make an E here. Okay, so I know that this length is 2x and the short length is x. So I can go ahead and create an equation here. 2x plus x, because I know I'm going to add the long side, the long, and the short to equal the whole. So then I'll have here 21. We'll get 3x equals 21, x equals 7. That means we have here RE is 7, and DR is going to be 2 times 7, and we'll get 14. So this will be 14. Next thing that we do know is that these are all bisected on the sides. So the sides are all bisected. So we have AD here, AD. So if this, let's say this length is 10 for AF, FD is 10. If AE is 5 and the entire length is 10, that means this is 5. If I know this entire length is 16, well, I know I can divide that by 2, and this is 8, and this is 8. Okay, all right, so this is a little recap of medians. Thanks for watching.